Yeah. So
congratulations, Nikita.
Yeah, in her absence here, we'll please convey our regards to her.
Yes.
Then Nandini is writing here, Nandini, right?
Congratulations, Nandini.
Yeah. And then we have Rani. Rani is also here today.
She is absent.
Okay.
Okay. Many congratulations, Rani.
And then Siddhartha, the youngest one in this batch. Congratulations, Dad.
Congratulations, he is my son.
Keep it up. He's very junior. He's starting out his career and there's great future ahead, right? So just keep it up. Yeah. Despite no background, you participated. That is a, always participation is the first thing, and then rest thing comes by. So
Can we have Narendra?
Yes, sir. Actually, I thought that asking for 5 minutes to talk. So I may take 5 to 6 minutes, sir, not 2 to 3 minutes, because this course improved me a lot. Not only in artificial intelligence and machine learning, it improved me to improve my some skills like soft skills in communicating with in group like this and presenting some things to officials. Really, before this, I didn't do anything. I didn't presented any PowerPoint. I didn't presented any PDF. Anything I didn't presented. This is the first platform from my childhood. I presented the first analysis is on COVID data. That is the first one which I presented to someone. After listening to the outcomes of the SAR said that it's a very good. You did. And you did the things that I didn't expect. Still, you googled it. It's a very good. That day, I was very high, and I'm from that day I improved a lot, and I worked full from that day. And I'll start now. I'll start with the day 1.5 years back when the lockdown was started. I thought I'm very much interested in mechanical field, and that's why I took the mechanical engineering. And I thought that always learning, it's online classes, and it was very boring. They are not explaining very nicely. There will be some difference between the normal class and online classes, and I'm very much bored. And I thought that learning some new technologies. Why can't I go to C? Why can't I go to some CS side? And I started Java. And I completed the Java course, but I thought that I'm very much interested in mechanical. Why I'm doing this Java? Why this Java? Then I researched about all technologies, and I came to about the data science through IBM. I completed the orientation of data science course in IBM. Then I thought that, oh, this is the area I'm very interested, because it is very similar to the subject in mechanical engineering, like called operation research, which operation research and data analytics, where we mechanical engineers play with the data to bring outcomes to the industries, big industries. And I thought that I'm very good at in that OR subject, and I'm very much interested from school level. I did some like science fair projects and data something. What are the outcomes from this data, like that. I thought that, yes, this is my field. I should go into this. I decided that 1 year back only, and I started learning Python first. I through some guides, I came to know about you should learn Python first. Then I came to know about the basics of the Python. I completed that. Then I'm searching about the courses for data science in Coursera. First, I went to Coursera. It asking 13,000 per month. I couldn't offer because my dad is a farmer, and I couldn't offer. And I went to different platforms. It's showing like 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, which I couldn't at all pay that. I couldn't ask my father only, because he can pay. If I ask, he can pay for bringing some debts, and he can pay. But I couldn't ask him. I'm very afraid of him getting into the debts. And I'm searching. One day I saw a PDF in my class group. That is Liv Tevin providing the artificial and machine learning course. And I came to know about the syllabus. There I don't know about artificial and machine learning. I know only what called data science, which is data science, deep learning, machine learning, some part. And then I opened the syllabus. There I saw data science, separate section. It attracted me. I thought it also will be 30,000, 20,000. Then I saw it's 3,000. And as a faculty, I saw it IIT Delhi. Yes, I did it. Then I called Satya sir. I think it's around 3 o'clock. I'm in the field. I'm in the field with my father now. At that time, working in the field. Then I called with the sir. I talked to him. He explained everything neatly. Yes, and I said to my friends Sadanand, Nandini, Snehita, and they are also very much interested. I felt very happy because it's such a big course coming with 3,000 and paying in 1,500. I'm very happy, and I joined, and I thought first day after the 2 classes. To be frank, I thought that these may not be good. SAR is covering only basics, which I have learnt in Coursera, Udemy, in Python. But in syllabus, it is very deep. But SAR is teaching only basics. First 2 classes. After starting the libraries part, I'm just like amazed, and I said to Sadhana, he'll be in touch daily, and we'll be talking 10 to 15 times daily. We are best friends like that. And Sar is very good. Sar is very good. Sar is explaining like this. Sar is explaining like this. And I explained. I felt very happy. And to be frank, I should thank you, both of you, sir, Satya sir and Manikant Rai sir, because in placement, this course played a 10%, because I explained her interviewer about my project, and she asked the question, being mechanical YIT, I explained that I'm very much interested in data science, which is equal to the mechanical subject war, and that's why I did this, which is explained by IIT professor, and I explained my whole project, the COVID. She is very much impressed there. I think that's one of the reasons she selected me for Deloitte. I'm very much thankful for that. And the day I selected, I thank you both, and thank you so much. Apart my parents and my friends, like Sadanand, he supported me a lot while interviewing. He sent some questions to prepare everything. Apart my parents and friends, this course helped me a lot in the placement. I'm very much thankful for that. Actually, for second installment of 1,500, I fought with sir because I don't have that 1,500 and some financial issues. But after that placement, yes, I'm very happy that day, and I'm very much thankful to this course. And that day I saw some tears in my father, and there's a very like it's a beautiful moment, and I'm very much thankful. And after completing the, randomly, I'm doing some data science courses in Coursera, like DBMS and tools for data science, and randomly covering the courses in data science. By seeing these course gave me the basics to complete that Coursera courses. Lot of basics, like I'm doing now the KNN, CNN in deep learning in Prepinsta something, and these gave me a lot of basics in that. And I'm very much interested in the data science field. I want to excel in the data science field. I'm just blindly fixed in my mind from 1 year, and I'm working on that very hardly. And I applied for Deloitte because it's providing a role of data scientist, and I want to work in that for 2 years. After that 2 years, with that experience, I want to apply for MS in data science. And I want a lot of future guidance from you, sir. Please, sir, Manikant sir. I want your guidance for the future, for MS and for some projects and
wonderful.
Everything.
Sure. Narendra,
yes.
you have my number. I'm just applying
Yes,
away, right? Okay, so just ping me.
Yes.
And all of you, in fact, right? You can now share my number with everyone. Earlier, I didn't share because then you will ask me some operational question. And trust me, life is quite hectic here, right? But now you can all have my number, and we can always get in touch. Yeah. So wonderful to hear, and wish you very best. All the best. The only thing you rightly said that you have to work hard. That's it. That's it. Yeah.
And what I can say more, this gave me a lot of basics, sir. I can't say that I'm very good at now in artificial intelligence. I can say that I'm somewhat good at basics. What is artificial intelligence? What is the data science? What is deep learning? I have some basics, and I can go through into with these basics. I can say that. And everyone, I can suggest everyone, if you are interested in data science field, don't be that I have listened 50 hours. Only this is the data science. I learned it. I researched on behalf of my knowledge. I researched a lot in data science. It's like an ocean. Just we saw a small drop.
Correct.
There is a lot of terms. There is a lot of
Very
terms
true.
which we can't spell. Which we can't spell in data science.
Correct. Correct.
We cannot pronounce it very well. There are lot of ocean to see. Please prepare well, and definitely next 2 years, data scientists gonna rule the world. Remember that. And if you are interested in data science, excel a lot, work hard. Yes, and SAR will be there for us to guide.
Sure. That's great, Narendra. Sir, so we have now last 2 and 5 minutes. So can you please wrap it up?
And that's
Concluding
it, sir.
remarks.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the guidance. Thank
Narendra, I'm sorry.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, and thank you for that gift, sir. Thank you for the book. Definitely, I'll read it, sir.
That
Actually-
I always do.
Yes, sir. I got only 2 gifts. Through studies. One is when I got a 10 by 10 in 10, I got a book from Collector. And now I got a book only from you, sir. I got 2 books. Thank you, sir.
I'm worried about Southern and chocolate. Maybe sometime in Hyderabad we should meet. Yeah.
He's beside me on this.
Yeah. So we have last 1 minute, guys. Sir, please conclude and then we'll say sayonara. Yeah.
So thanks a lot, everybody. And we will mail you the certificates to your respective mailbox. And we will remain in touch. And again, a big thanks to Manikant sir on behalf of everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you for the great opportunity.
Sadanand.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, we'll
Yeah,
be having a class, no, sir, on
Yes,
quick
yes.
examination on DBM.
Yes,
Two
yes.
class.
Two classes. Yeah. Sure,
Yes.
sure. At your convenience. Just inform me 2 days before. That's it.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay.
Okay.
I would love to see you guys certified and add your certificate on LinkedIn. Yeah.
Yes.
Sure. Bye then. Take care.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this. We didn't eat for commercial purpose, but we enjoyed it,
Very
right?
good. Great.
Yeah,
And
because-
I thank you for this great gesture.
And absolutely love you guys are amazing, right? Just keep on working that, right? Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Thanks.
Thanks for very much.